Hello everyone. In this session, I'm going to talk you about how to cover this vitiligo white patch. Okay, and many of them suffering by this vitiligo, and they don't even know what to do, and spending the money, spending the time, spending their energy on lot of other treatments, which is not going to work for 98% of the time. So I would like to share this video to everyone as much as possible and create the awareness. This is one of the treatment where people can get the 100% of the success rate, and they can achieve a perfect exact skin tone. That is the beauty about this treatment. I would like to share this video to each and everyone so that they can get the much more knowledge. So please share this video as much as possible, and the people can get the exact skin tone with the least maintenance. So the patch test has been done now and it's matched with the exact skin tone. I'll meet you guys in the next video.